In this lecture, we'll be starting with operators. The first set of operators that we'll be covering are arithmetic operators. So we have addition with plus symbol, multiplication with star symbol, and subtraction with minus, division with a forward slash, exponent with two asterisk symbols or star symbols, and then we have modulus operator as percent symbol. Now the modulus operator is actually used to calculate the remainder when you are doing a division. So if you want to know what's the remainder after the division has occurred, then you make use of the modulus operator. Next we have comparison operators. The first is the double equal to operator. So here it just compares the values. So you can compare integer 10 with string 10, and in that case it will just go with the comparing the values, and in that case it will return true. Then we have greater than equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, and triple equal to, which is also known as identical comparison operator. Now the difference between usual double equal to operator and this is that it goes for checking both the things. That's the data type of the variable as well as the value that the variable is holding. So for instance, if I say compare integer 10 with string 10, as you can see in this example, what it's going to do is it will first of all check the data type of these two, and it finds that one is integer and the other one is string. Obviously the output will be false. So that's what it does. It checks both the things, the value as well as the data type of the variable. Then we have logical operators. So basically we make use of logical operators to evaluate whether a condition is going to be true or false based on certain set of variables. For instance, we have and, or, and not operators, and here let's consider a value x is set to true and y is set to false. In that case, if I go ahead and say x and y, so it's going to evaluate as false because x is true but y is false. So both the things should be true, then only it will evaluate to true. Then we have or. So here either one of them should be true, and here we have x set to true, then the output in this case will be true. Next we have not operator, and here as you can see we are saying y is not true, so actually y is false, and in this case the evaluation result will be true. So that was all about the operators in PHP. In the next lecture, we'll be making use of conditional statements, and there you will see the usage of these logical operators as well as comparison operators.